Yes, indeed. Every year, 14 November is celebrated as Children's Day in loving memory of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, who was very fond of children and believed that children are the real strength of the nation and the foundation of a better tomorrow.
So, let's begin this morning with our national song. Let us all join together and sing our national song, Vande Mataram.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Dear children, today is your day. Believe in yourself. What you learn today, what you dream today, will build the world of tomorrow. I repeat, believe in yourself. What you learn today, what you dream today, will build the world of tomorrow. Thank you. Happy Children's Day.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज का सुविचार अनुशासन की शक्ति। अनुशासन वे सीढ़ी है जिस पर चढ़कर सपने हकीकत बनते हैं और कर्म सफलता का रूप लेते हैं। इसलिए हर दिन समय का सम्मान करें, नियमों को अपनाएं और कर्मों से अपनी पहचान बनाएं, क्योंकि सफलता उन्हीं के द्वार पर दस्तक देती है जो अनुशासन को अपने संस्कार बना लेते हैं। मैं दोहराती हूँ, क्योंकि सफलता उन्हीं के द्वार पर दस्तक देती है जो अनुशासन को अपने संस्कार बना लेते हैं। धन्यवाद। आपका दिन शुभ रहे।
Our child adds color and joy to our school, just like flowers in a garden. Now, let's move to the news section. Here are today's important headlines presented by Mrs. Anjul Gupta.
Good morning to all of you. Some news headlines are: India observes Children's Day or Bal Divas to commemorate the birth anniversary of J.L. Nehru, the nation's first Prime Minister. Result of Assembly poll held in Bihar in 2 phases will be declared today. Ministry of External Affairs rolls out updated version of Passport Seva program. Darjeeling Himalayan Railway to organize train ride for specially abled kids on Children's Day. SC bans mining activities with 1 kilometer radius of national parks, wildlife sanctuaries. And now some sport news are: India versus South Africa. First test begins at Eden Garden in Kolkata today. New Zealand beats West Indies by 8 wickets to win T20 series by 3-1. And now some news from S.D.Public School. S.D.Public is celebrating Children's Day with Jeel and Gist. A special assembly is being conducted by the teachers of S.D.Public School as a mark of love and affection for all the students. Thank you, students, and happy Children's Day to all of you.